The power of poor people defeated the might of crony capitalists and it will be repeated in other elections, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi said after his party won Karnataka from the BJP. I'm happy we contested the Karnataka polls without using hate, bad language. We fought the polls with love. In Karnataka, market of hate has closed down and shops of love have opened. Rahul Gandhi said amid loud cheers from party workers and bursting of crackers at the All India Congress Committee headquarters. This is the victory of everyone. Firstly, of the people of Karnataka. We have made 5 promises to the people of Karnataka and we will fulfill these promises on the first day and in the first cabinet meeting, he confirms. The message is that the kind of politics that people want is the politics that can solve their problems, Priyanka Gandhi told the media. Though Congress party manifesto's promise of ban on Bajrang Dal was aggressively campaigned by the BJP to charge the Congress of insulting Lord Hanuman and hurling abuse at PM Modi, the party instead of responding stuck to its campaign of misgovernance and 40% commission sarkar against the BJP. The 2023 results are also the Congress' best ever performance since 1999. Riding on its campaign of 5 guarantees has provided some key lessons for the next round of assembly elections in states like Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. The party's poll guarantees include providing 200 units of free power to all households, 2000 rupees monthly assistance to the woman head of every family, 10 kg of rice free to every member of a below poverty line household, 3000 rupees every month for graduate youth and 1500 rupees for diploma holders both in the age group of 18 to 25 years for 2 years and free travel for women in public transport buses. Taking a cue from Karnataka's poll guarantees, Madhya Pradesh Congress has already started registering women voters for the Nari Samman Yojana, the 2 components direct transfer of 1500 rupees to the accounts of beneficiary women every month and cooking gas cylinders providing at 500 rupees. Though much will depend on Congress performance in the battle with the BJP in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan, the Karnataka win will give the party a boost to reclaim its position as a rallying point for opposition parties in the run-up to the 2024 Lok Sabha polls.